Hi guys and welcome back. As you can see, I'm not in my beauty room. I'm actually out in my living room. I wanted a little bit of a different backdrop, a different type of video. So I kind of wanted to do more of a get ready with me today. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything too much different than what I already did in my last video. So if you want more in depth of how I'm doing my makeup today, make sure you go check that video out. But me and Chris, we got some things going on. So if you would like to get ready with me and just hang out, chill, drink some espresso, and do some makeup, then keep on watching. Chris gave me an early Christmas present, which was or is an Nespresso. Sorry, I'm looking for my primer. I will list everything down below, by the way, of what I'm using. But he got me an espresso machine for Christmas. Gave it to me early so I can enjoy it and know how to use it before we go to Florida, since we are going to Florida for Christmas. So I'm going to be having some amazing drinks, coffee drinks, maybe add some Baileys in it when we're in Florida. My hair. I literally threw my hair up before filming this. Like, what is this? What is going on here? Because I'm not going to lie, I am throwing a hat on here soon within the next, oh my goodness, next 2 hours. Because we are going to look at a house. And I am sweating, I'm nervous. This espresso is not helping. By the way, before I forget, this is another one of my Christmas shirts I bought off of Amazon. I washed it and the neck got really weird, which is kind of disappointing. Like, what is this? Like, what are you doing? What is this? It wasn't expensive, and really it's just going to be more of like a lounge shirt anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm not super picky. But I just wanted to mention that this is another shirt, since I've been wearing all my Christmas shirts, but this is another shirt that I had got off of Amazon that I had mentioned in my vlog. So if you did watch my last vlog, at one point of the vlog, you heard me say we were supposed to go look at a house, and the house was absolutely beautiful. But the owners had accepted an offer the evening before we were supposed to go look at the house. So it was a little disappointing, but it was actually the first house that we were ever going to look at. We've been wanting to move for a long time. We've been in our house now for about 13 years, something like that. We've outgrown it. Hello, quit focusing on the snowman. He is not a person. Focus on me. Thank you. Hopefully that doesn't happen a lot. Quit stealing my shine, snowman. No. We've been wanting to look at a house, or we wanted to go look at that house. And it was beautiful. The house was gorgeous. Chris said it basically kind of was his dream house. But again, we didn't get a chance to go look at it. So it's not like we put an offer in and we lost it or anything like that. But it was a little disappointing. So Chris had found a house last night. Yeah. And if you don't know, houses are going so quick. They are not even allowing a ton of offers to even happen on houses. And like, even the listing agent told us right before I sat down to film, or Brian told us, who is our real estate agent, but he told us that the listing agent said there's been multiple offers already, and they, as long as we get an offer in before 7 p.m. tonight, they will be making their decision tonight by 10 p.m. So, I mean, that's how quickly houses are going. That's just the way the market is right now. It's a seller's market. So it makes things a little bit more intense than usual. But then again, you're not sitting on, or walking on eggshells constantly, wondering if you got a house. It's just kind of like you put an offer in and you know pretty quickly if you got it or not. If you don't get it, you move on. So it's a little nerve-wracking because, you know, we're going to go look at a house during COVID. So that makes me a little nervous. They have rules set in place. You only get a half an hour. In that half hour, basically, you are to, that's the whole property. Inside, outside, all of it. So you get that half hour, do what you want with it, but that's all you get. The great thing about this house versus the house we didn't even get to go see in person is that it is quite a bit under our budget, which is really nice. These Nespresso coffees are on another level. Oh God. So I'm pretty sure anybody that goes, snowman.
Wow.
Let me see if I can do something about that, because that's gonna be. So I'm pretty sure anybody that goes in the house has to wear a mask. I'm a mess. My nerves are shot. This espresso is not helping. I didn't know that it was like this. So I'm freaking out a little bit, as you can probably tell. But everybody has to wear a mask. You know, you get that short amount of time to kind of make your decision if you want the property or not. I'm hoping that actually the house is better in person. I like the house. I don't love it, but there's so much potential to make it into your dream house. Now the outside, it has this long driveway, no neighbor, like your closest neighbors, they're not up your ass like if you were in a neighborhood. It's not a neighborhood, so I like that aspect. It has a pond. The pond needs some cleaning up. Clearly, you know, people aren't too concerned about the pond. But the problem, what I'm not crazy about is the fact that it is a shared pond. So I don't like that aspect of it. But I don't know, we shall see. This video could totally just not even be, you know, this could just be a talk video where I'm talking about this house and we actually don't even end up getting it, which would be fine. That's definitely a possibility. But I find that, oh no, I find that if I, you know, feel a certain kind of way or I'm going through something, to be able to jump on camera and feel like I'm really talking to you guys, it helps me. It's like a great therapy type situation. When we moved into this house, we were young. We were like 23 years old. We settled. We didn't care. We just wanted to get out of our parents' house, you know? So this is a whole different ball game now. And like I said, with COVID, it's a whole different ball game. So it's just different. It's just kind of like, oh my goodness, what are we doing? So I'm just nervous. And Chris even said to me, he said, you know, who knows? We could possibly live in a house that we get for 10 years and then move into our forever home, you know? The privacy aspect of this house is gorgeous. I'm not crazy about the kitchen, but, you know, I also feel like from just what I've learned with looking at houses, I have too high of expectations for what I want. So I just need to get more in reality, which I'm totally fine with. Just in the beginning of this process, you know, I've just learned a lot. The privacy is the biggest thing. I feel the privacy, like I hate, like we live in a neighborhood. We live in a bi-level. And one thing I hate is walking outside. I got a neighbor here and a neighbor here, can hear everything you're saying, know exactly what you're doing. It's just, I said this in another video. I want to be in a house. I want to live somewhere where if I want to walk out in my backyard naked, I can feel comfortable enough to walk out my backyard naked and nobody see me. That's what I want. You know, if I walk out to do something in the backyard in my pajamas, I want to be able to do that without somebody being right next to me, basically in my yard. That's what I cannot stand about this. I just want privacy. I just want, you know, to just have some land, do what I want with my land, you know, like where we live now, we can't put in a pool here. There's, you know, there's rules, regulations, things you got to follow. And it's like, I don't want to follow the rules. I'm going to be putting a hat on, so I don't even know why I'm contouring my forehead. Probably just for the sake of this video. But I'm going to be putting a hat on. So what are your guys' thought processes? What are your guys' thoughts about the moving process? Have you guys moved? What's the biggest thing you look for in a new house? Do you live in your dream house? Have you, I just want to know. I want to know some things. And like I said, within the next 11 hours, it's going to be, I don't know. I don't know what to expect here. I really don't. I would like to know things. It's just my thought. I just want to know things. Did you sacrifice some things in order just to move? Did you find a house that you got everything you wanted? I want to know that kind of stuff. I do want to mention this. This is the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush. When I tried this for the first time, I put on too much. I want to try the E.L.F. blush palettes, like this contour palette I just used. Because I've heard great things about that. Because this contour palette I can't get enough of. It's a cream contour palette. And they have a cream blush palette. And it's super affordable. I think it's like $8, just like the cream contour palette. So I want to give that a shot. I've learned a little bit more this time. I swear cream products do take a little bit of time to get to know. You got to learn how to work with them a little bit. Your brushes are going to be your best friend. But after you get to know how to do it, oh, it's so pretty. And this is the Ultimate Blending Brush from E.L.F. as well. Ooh, the agent, it's the agent. So I just kind of wanted to do a get ready with me to calm myself, but I don't know if I'm really calming myself down. It just feels good to be able to talk about it. But I'm still very, very nervous. And I feel like with the house being on the lower end of our budget, what we said was we can use that to do renovations. I can't remember if I brought this up or not, but to turn things and make things into what we want, So that's the other thing is if you're not in love with everything, you can make it what you want. You know what I'm saying? So that's something that's really, really nice. Yesterday was Chris's birthday. And tonight I'm making him a awesome dinner. That's kind of what he wanted. So cooking is going to calm me down too. And I think, if we get this house, it's going to be kind of a celebration in a way. It's something to look forward to, I suppose, I don't know. We're going to see. I'm just really nervous. Really, really nervous. I feel like I'm a little crazy for trying to do this during COVID. Hoping for the best. I might set my bronzer contour situation, like the littlest bit. I don't want to overdo it because I'm loving the way that it looks. But just a little bit. Just like the smallest little tappage. And then I'm going to set it with the Make It Last setting spray. All right, guys, so that is it for this look, this get ready with me sounding like a freak right now and high off of espresso, all of that. I told you I was going to throw a hat on. I did not do my brows because I knew I was going to because I knew I was going to throw a hat on. I did want to show you, because I didn't do this in my last video, I used the Purex Rawbeautykristi palette and put some of my whole heart on my lid, my eyelid, and up to my brow bone, just to kind of set that cream, the foundation, the concealer or whatever. And then, oh my God, I got it all over my fingers. Then I took a little bit of Lumos, the white, and just popped it right on the corner of my eye just to give my eye a little bit of a pop. Why are you focusing on my camera? Don't know what to do. Now it's back on the snowman. Sir, listen.
What?
Hi, it's me. Hi, focus on me. Thank you. Thank you. Focus on me. Keep focusing on me. Me. Yay. So now I need to change out of this shirt. It's a real estate agent again. I need to change out of this shirt, throw some leggings on it. I can't talk. I can't talk. I know I'm being a freaking drama queen right now. And watch us not even get the daggone house or even like it in person, not even put in an offer. And then this video could be completely irrelevant in the next 24 hours. I just wanted to hop on camera and film, first off. Secondly, just share with you. These are my raw feelings, and I just kind of wanted to have you experience, oh my God, experience this excitement in person, because I think it's exciting for anybody when there's big change around the corner, you know? Even though it could take several times of me feeling this way before we actually get a house, but it's still exciting to talk about. It's exciting to make a video. Who knows, going back on this years from now and coming back at this video and be like, oh my gosh, you know, I'm so glad we didn't get that house, or I'm so glad we did get that house, you know, like anything. So, you know, just to document it for me is fun. So I got a little bit of time, going to chill out and try and chill out. No more coffee, relax, and go look at a house. That is it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you made it this far into my drama. I really appreciate it. And I just like sharing this kind of stuff with you. So thank you for listening, watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.